there's one very critical thing in Europe. It's this famous NIMBY, not in my backyard, that people on one side, they are concerned about how mining is done in the third world, what's the impact on livelihoods, what this kind of consideration of ethical mining. And on the other side, they don't want to have the mining in Europe, where it could be done, first of all, much more environmentally conscious, where there's absolutely no risk with respect to human rights and to conflict and so on. But politicians, of course, they look into what the people want to hear. And that's very difficult, because they should think about a larger context of mining, and it's important for the European Union to more develop their own mining. There are certain raw materials where we have fantastic deposits in Europe which cannot be developed because of too lengthy processes to get the permit. But on the other side also, the industry has to be more forthcoming with financing, and there's a balance to be taken between that they have the security of getting the permit, and on the other side to provide the finance, maybe also partly in backward integration, that the downstream goes a little bit back. At time it becomes en vogue, but we have to see how it advances. But it's very important to get easier rules and a faster process of permitting. I think it's very good to get all these different views together, and we saw this just in the dialogue we had, that there are very different sectors of the industry which have sometimes the same problems. And by connecting between the different sectors of industry, which normally don't talk to each other, here it's a good forum to put very diverse sectors together, which sometimes have exactly the same problems, like the transport of secondary raw materials. The idea of calling something not waste, but a secondary raw material, and adapting the rules to this. So for this, it's a very important forum.